continuously, some students were continuously asking me how to develop a game, tell me how to do. Okay, but before that, you have to learn the concept, right? So I can tell you directly, we can start developing a game, but before that, you have to learn the concept, practice the concept. Then I'll give a good challenge to make a game, maybe with the levels, different levels. And one of you guys have created a game. I think last week, Hamdan or someone shared. Is he there today? It seems he's not there, right? He has shared a game, so which is used to capture the coronavirus. Actually, be safe from coronavirus. Coronavirus එක උඩින් වැටෙනවා. ඔයාලා බේරෙන්න ඕන. ඒ වගේ ගේම් එකක් හදලා තිබ්බා. ඔයාලගේ පන්ති ළමයි. I think that is somewhat good. So that is also good. So you can create games, but the thing is, so if you check in YouTube, you can find many games and how to develop game and how to develop a new game. You can find many ways, but developing your own game would be somewhat difficult. You have to think innovatively because it is not there in the internet. You can't copy from the internet. You have to think and do that. So that can be done only by thinking. Right now, what is the solution for this? We realized, or we understood the solution. Ben should move not to the exact X and Y. So then I have used the operations for the X and Y. So, and this is minus, sorry, this is X minus some figure, I think 40 was used. You can use any figure like. And Y should be that Y minus some number. Maybe 60. So likewise, you can just try based on your screen, right? Based on your screen, you can just give a try. When you move B, Ben, not capturing, should be 55. Space to move, then B to move Ben. Oh, a little bit away. 52. So this depends on your screen proportions, right? So not exactly the same as the others. So you can't copy from the others. Move the balloon, move Ben to capture the balloon. Okay. Move the balloon, move Ben to capture the balloon. You can see it's capturing the balloon. Okay. So now you can see. So after moving the balloon, Ben is running over the balloon and capturing the balloon. Right? You can time maybe. So rather than using a key, you can use a timer to do this. But I don't want to do this now. So now I want to convert this to a game. Right? I want to convert this to a small, actually location guessing game. So instead of moving Ben directly to these positions, you can ask from the user. You have to ask. Tell me the X position and wait. You can ask once you press B, it can ask, tell me the X position. Ben is telling where to move and waiting. And that answer can be used to, maybe you can set the answer. So let's use, okay, set X position or set this variable. Variable means this one. Set this X variable to the answer given by the user. Then again ask, tell me Y position. So now it's asking the Y position. Ben is asking Y position. And you can give the answer, the variable set Y position to val Y to the answer given by you. Now you are moving to that position. Now you are moving to that position without this minus. you have to give the exact answer now by calculating. So you are moving to these two variables, that is X and Y position. And if you move to the correct position, you have to give some marks. So that can be added later, right? So now when you press the space, you can see balloon is moving, and let me make full screen. Right now you press space, balloon is moving, and it's asking where the X position. Now you have to guess and tell the X position. Okay, let's say X position is 100. Then it's asking, tell me Y position. That is should be asking the Y position. Okay, let's give the Y position as 200, and Ben should move to that position. Ben should glide to that position. So what has happened? X position, and tell me Y position and where. So it didn't ask, no? When you press B, asking X position, okay, 100. Asking Y position, 500, okay. Right, okay, moving. Now you can see. So balloon is moving. Balloon is moving. When I press B, it's asking X position. So let's say -100. And Y position, let's give 200. And Ben is moving, but unfortunately he couldn't capture the balloon. So likewise, you can add marks here. When Ben is captured the balloon, you can ask. Again, I can press B, asking the balloon position. Let's say X position is -140, and asking Y position. Y position, let's say 100, and still no, couldn't catch the balloon. Now you can make a game. Understood how to gradually develop this. Right? If Ben moves to the correct position, then you can give some marks. Or you can make, okay, you won the game. Again, pressing B, asking X position, moving -150 this time, -160 this time. Y position, and I'll give, okay, 60 this time. Oh, not enough, right? So likewise, you can continuously try. Okay, X position -200, Y position, let's say 10. Oh, somewhat okay, but still not captured. So likewise, you can try to, or you can move the balloon by pressing space and try again. Right? So likewise, you can develop small game, very small game. Okay, I'll keep that to you as a homework, right? So try to move balloon and Ben. Try to make this, right? Okay, write this as a homework. Balloon must move, please write. Balloon must move randomly. Balloon must move randomly. Help Ben follow and capture the balloon. If he captures, give 10 marks and move the balloon. If he fails, deduct -5 marks. If you fail, deduct -5 marks. Create the above game using Scratch. Create the above game using Scratch. So now this is a challenge, right? Now it's not like playing games. Developing games would be quite difficult. You have to think logically, right? Whatever I have done up to some level. So I'll give that steps. You can copy that steps. This is what I have done. I can help you by doing. This is the code of balloon. And previously I have given the code of bend. I'll add these two codes. So you can just try with those two codes, but that is not completed one, right? That is only half a way done. Giving marks can be done using variables. Giving marks, you can do this using variables. Here are my captures. You can see this one and this one. This is Ben. Help him capture the balloon. Right? This is Ben. Help him capture the balloon. That is your very first game. And if you have not done, if you have done previously, so this will be another challenge. If you have done this previously, this will be another challenge. But if you have not done, this will be your very first game, and you can do more. Maybe capturing the frogs, or you can animate Ben. When moving, you can animate Ben. You can look, change the look to show Ben, like show some running steps. So still we have not done, but you can try. Curly varavela auto try කරන්න පුළුවන් Ben දුවනවා වගේ පෙන්නන්න. Right? Balloon එක අල්ල ගන්න බැරි වුණොත් balloon එක පුපුරන්න. Right? So that can also be done. So for an example, if you get minus marks, balloon should blast and you lose the game. If you get minus marks, balloon should blast and you will lose the game. So likewise, try to develop the game. Finish writing. Sorry, not this one. Please write down. Write down with the code, right?
So after making.
Sorry.
So after making, should we send that to you?
Yeah, you have to send the link. You can share it using Scratch, right? Here, after you create the Scratch, so let me show that step 2. Scratch එකක් හැදුවට පස්සේ පුතේ ඔයාලට එවන්න පුළුවන්. You can here, you can like file, not this one, this one even. Or you can save to your computer. That is one thing. And if you log into the account and join that, you can share it too, right? No, not this one. So just save to your computer and you can download this, right? This way also you can share. This way also you can share. As SB31, as a project you can share. Or if you sign in, you can share this through internet. So please finish this quickly. So I saw the people who have started YouTube channels. Now they got like 40, 50, 60, 100 like subscribers. But so why it is investment? When you grow up, now you are in grade 9. After 4-5 years, you will definitely have more than like 5,000, 6,000 subscribers. So if you start now and you will have like more than 4,000 views. Yes? Did you ask anything? Okay, that will be an advantage because you can enable the monetization and it will generate some part-time income too. So when you are doing this or when you are doing new things, please try to create a channel and distribute or share your knowledge with the others. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. And you have a lot of works to do now. So let's create the game and let's see on next week. Right, then good night. See you all in next week.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.